guys, it's Eileen here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have two simple Dollar Tree Halloween DIYs that I wanted to share with you guys. Before we get started, I'm just going to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Planning to do two different Halloween simple DIYs. In one of the projects, we're going to use these glass mercury bottles from the Dollar Tree. And in the other DIY, we're going to use these creatures. One's a spider and one's a dinosaur from the Dollar Tree. In addition to needing 4 books from the Dollar Tree. So they all need to be hard covered, and that's what we're going to use for this project, are 4 different hard-covered books from the Dollar Tree. So I'm using my Brilliant Gold Krylon spray paint to get these guys gold. So when I was at the Dollar Tree, I tried to find books that had a good title so I didn't have to switch it, and I also was looking for the certain colors of red, blacks, grays, and this is what I came up with. This was the only one that I did not like the title of. It is just not too Halloween. The Restoration of Otto Land. I don't know what that is. But I figured out a real simple way to fix this guy up. If you see here, I printed on black paper poisons and potions, and then you see I took my orange paint pen and I'm just gonna trace over all the letters, and that should pretty much match the orange on this book. And then I'm just gonna simply glue that on, and that book will be fine. All the rest are perfect as is. This one says A Song to Die For, creepy. This one says Special Heart. And this is Love Reborn. So I thought I could just use these as is, and what I'm gonna simply do is glue 2 stacks on the other, and then I'm gonna attach my creature, and we're gonna have some cute, adorable decor. So we don't need the book covers or the book jackets, so you're gonna just take those off. Some of these books actually retailed for a lot. This one was almost $16, so I'm not really ruining the book, so in this case, if you guys want to read your books, you definitely could do that. Doing the best that I could, I'm going to now just Mod Podge on my new title. So I Mod Podged my new name. I put my 2 books together by just using hot glue, and I was having some trouble getting my spider to stick on here. So what I was thinking was, since these are clear stones, I could stack them up, glue them inside, and then it will make a nice platform to sit him on. So we're gonna check that out. And you can see I also added some rhinestones for the eyes, just to make it a little more cool. I already had these jot rhinestones in gold on hand, so I thought, ooh, what a chance to use them. Alright, the stones are all stacked up, and now we're gonna see if this will work to get my spider stuck on the book, so little hands don't remove him. So I got my spider to stay using those gems from the Dollar Tree. That was great, and you could see my spider stuck on my books. And here's the last set of books with the dinosaur creature type of thing. You could see I put the rhinestones in his eyes, and this looks super cool. So simple. For the mercury bottles, I simply just Googled images of Halloween bottle labels, and I printed out a page of them, and I will just see which ones I would like to use. So I just cut out the label and I put it on, and this one says pure concentrated extract of bat blood. This one says fine wing of owl oil, and I thought these were both Very cute. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed these simple Halloween DIYs. If you did, please give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye. And that's the setup. That's the little Halloween setup. I hope you guys enjoyed.